Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are crispy on the outside and nice and chewy on the inside. So to make these cookies, take some butter in a bowl. Beat the butter for about 2 minutes. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Then add some white sugar and brown sugar. Combine the butter and sugar for another 2 minutes. When the butter and sugar is well combined, stop the beater and scrape the sides of the bowl. Then add 1 egg. To this, add 1 teaspoon vanilla and beat the egg. In another bowl, take some Maida or plain flour. Add half a teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix this well together. Add this flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Along with this, add chocolate chips. I'm using this the large chocolate chips. If you have the small ones, you can add that also. Now combine the wet and the dry ingredients. You don't have to add any extra milk. Just slowly and gently keep mixing and it will come together. Once you get a dough like this, we will have to refrigerate this dough for about 30 minutes before we start making the cookies. Otherwise the cookies will spread too much. So after 30 minutes, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we can start shaping the cookies. I'm using an ice cream scoop to shape the cookies. You can even shape them with your hands. Leave some space between each cookie so that it will have enough space to expand. Finally, to decorate these cookies, I placed some extra chocolate chips on top of these cookies. Now these cookies are ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 12 minutes. Don't over bake the cookies. To find out if the cookies are done, only the corners will be baked. The center will still be soft, but the corners will be slightly firm. Take it out and leave the cookies in the tray itself. It will continue to cook and bake. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the cookies will become nice and firm to touch. So this is it. A tasty, delicious chocolate chip cookies are done. These cookies are crunchy and crispy on the outside, but nice and chewy on the inside. Instead of chocolate chips, you can use chocolate chunks, or you can use walnuts, or you can use raisins. You can use anything in place of chocolate chips and still these cookies taste absolutely divine. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.